Okay, hi guys. Today we are going to have a look at breaking down these menacing 5-mark questions. So as you can see, this is question 18 in a non-calculator paper. So let's break it down. We have Daniel bakes 420 cakes. Daniel's making me hungry. So we have vanilla cakes, banana cakes, lemon cakes, and chocolate cakes. So he says that 2/7 of the cakes are vanilla. We have 35% of the cakes are banana. So that's already 2 topics in this question. And then finally, the last line says the ratio of the number of lemon cakes to the number of my favorite chocolate cakes is 4:5. Work out the number of lemon cakes Daniel bakes. So let's break this question up. Let's start with the first part. So let's look at the 2/7. So we need to work out 2/7 of 420. So we're going to take 420, and what we're going to do is we are going to divide by that 7. So we can calculate what 1/7 will be. So if we do 42 divided by 7 is 6, so 420 divided by 7 is going to be 60. But we're not looking for 1/7, we're looking for 2/7. So I'm going to multiply my 60, my 1/7, by 2, and that gives us 120 delicious vanilla cakes. So that's the first part done. Let's give that a tick. Second, we're going to have a look at the percentage part, so 35%. Now, like I always say, let's work out what 10% is. Now, luckily we have a number that ends in 0, so if I just knock a 0 off, 10% will be 42 cakes. So making our way to 35, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that 42 by 3, and that will give us 30%. So that would be 126. So we're not quite there, we need that extra 5%. So a nice easy way to calculate my 5% of 420 is if I know that 10% is 42, then 5% is going to be half of that, so half of 42 is 21. So if I add my 30% and my 5% together, I'm going to have 147 banana cakes. So if I add those together, so I've got 120 plus my 147, so if I pop that here, so that gives us 267 of the vanilla and the banana. So let's see how many chocolate and lemon cake I have left. So I'm going to take that away from my original amount of cake. So 420 take away 267. So a bit of subtraction. So I can't do 0 take away 7, so I'm going to carry the 1 over from here. So 10 take away 7 will give me 3. I can't do 1 take away 6, so I'm going to carry that 1 from here. So now I have 11 take away 6, which is 5. And then finally 3 take away 2, which is 1. So for my last part of the question, so we've done that bit there. So the ratio of lemon cakes to chocolate cakes. So in total I have 153 lemon and chocolate cakes in the ratio 4:5. So I'm going to show that visually at the top here. So let's have lemon and chocolate. So 4:5. So let's have 4. So 1, 2, 3. So that's my 4 parts of lemon. And let's have a look at my chocolate. So that's my 5 parts. So I'm going to do 5 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's imagine they're the same size. 5. So I need to split 153. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So if I do 153 divided by 9, Now, at this point, you would use the Bostock method. I know the answer off the top of my head. It is 17. So that means that one part is 17 cakes. So the question is, how many lemon cakes do we have? So lemon is here, so one part is 17. Ooh. So I now have to do the sum 17 times 4, because we want the 4 parts. So 17 times 4, well, if I write it like this, so a nice easy one, 7 times 4 is 28, so I'm going to put the 8 there, and carry the 2 over, and now 1 times 4 is 4, I'm going to plus that 2, so my final answer for 5 delicious marks is 68 cakes. And there we have it. So with these questions, we just need to break them down, have a look at see what topics we know. So we've got our fractions, our percentages, and our ratios. Break them down into nice, easy, and manageable chunks. Thank you.